Okay. So calibration having order type is PM06.
Okay.
So basically the important things to be noted that the settlement of this calibration order will be done to cost center. So we have seen for a refurbishment order that settlement will be done to the material. But here it will be cost center. And again, there will be two type of calibrations. One is done by internal and one is done by external.
Okay.
So whatever the activity which has been performed by external, it will be goes to PM03, PM03. So
Okay.
this will not include in this order type. So whatever the calibration activity will be performed by our own work center or by internal people, we will consider it as a calibration work order with PM06. Okay, so basically this is integration in between PM and CO. Okay. So for this, we will create one equipment. We will create one compressor. So let's see which are the functional location we have created. Okay, these are the functional location equipment we have created. Okay, so we will create one. Okay, below this we will create one compressor. That's IE03. IT01. We'll create one equipment, machine. It will be offset type.
Equipment.
Yeah, compressor is there. Okay.
Okay.
Authorization group, we will select functional head or maintenance. Okay, any weight, any dimension we can give here. Okay, startup. Date will be today's date. Okay. Acquisition value, acquisition date, we can give this manufacturer everything. That's free text. Okay. Then maintenance plant 1000 location. Okay, we will keep our compressor. Okay, in engine shop. Okay, room it's a random free text. Plant section. We will give Girish. Okay. Work center MECA 01. ABC indicator means when we perform the
production loss.
Yes, correct. Right. Salt free. I will just do compressor as a salt free. And organization. With organization, business area 1000, asset 1000, cost center. Okay, asset not updated. basically 5 people will update that asset. Planner group, network center. Then in structure, we will assign it to our functional. Start with data transfer. Okay. We will just save this. Okay, this equipment. Now, for procedure for calibration order, we need to create one MIS. MIS means Master Inspection Characteristic. Inspection on MIS. So how we can create this MIS? It has T code is QS21 is the T code. Basically, quality person will create this MIS. Okay, but if there will be some persons in maintenance, like a SMS, they can also authority to create the MIS. So we will go and I will show you how we can create the MIS. QS21 -N QS21. Okay. So here plant is 1000 and master inspection characteristics. So in compressor, there will be, we will do one thing. For compressor, there will be 3 components. So for which we will create that, for which we need to perform the calibration. We will take one impeller. We will take a second impeller case. Okay, we will take one case. Okay, external housing or case. Okay, and third we will take as a shaft. Okay. So 3 we will take case and third we will take shaft. So for which we need to perform the calibration. It's very random. Basically, maintenance manual will give you the details, which equipment and what are the calibration you need to perform on the which of the components. Okay, basically these are the parts of the equipments.
So pressure gauge, flow meter, compressor, pressure, that equipment is not comes under calibration.
Basically, you can take that pressure gauge, everything, but the mandatory prerequisite is that your company should have facility to calibrate that.
Okay.
Basically, manufacturing industry will not go with the pressure gauge on that. They will involve third-party vendor. So it will come under PMO3.
Okay.
But some parts we can do the calibration. We can measure the clearance like this on this. And if it's not as per performance, then we can again call third-party vendor. That is service persons, vendors, external vendors to repair or to replace or do activities on this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, okay, we will start our QS21. So we will do calibration of impeller. Okay, master inspection characteristics is impeller, and just enter. Okay, here present indicator, preset indicator, qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative means it will be numbers we can measure, and qualitative means okay, not okay, good, bad. There is one gauge, filler gauge, go, no go. Means it's going, then huge clearance, no go means less clearance, like this. Okay, accept or reject, like this. So we will make quantitative, and that means numeric format. Here will be always release. Short text will be calibration of impeller. Impeller. Subscript I will keep only. Then just enter. So system will ask quantitative characteristics. So what is lower specific limit? What is upper specific limit? What is sampling procedure? Basically, this is QM data. Okay, quality management data. So we need to activate this checkbox. So system will ask us to update that. So just I will checkbox 2 times. I need to continue. Then you will see there is a quantitative data tab has come. So here we need to update what is the decimal points and what is the target value and measurement units. So basically, I will keep its revolution per minutes and target value. What is target value? 1200 is my target. What is lower specification limit? So 1000 revolution is my lower specific limit. And what is upper? So 1 for again. It's totally depend upon the equipments and its component. So what will be the target? What will the revolution per minute? So we need to accept. We need to perform this calibration activity and accept and reject. If it's not under that limit, then we can reject and we can inform third party vendor that this impeller is not as per revolution per minute. So we need to send it for repair, like this. So I will just save this. Okay, and characteristics impeller was great. Okay, one more. We have case. Okay, with case also. So don't go case by case, means it's just to see how we can add this, because there are thousands of scenarios for which we can add. Just observe. So casing clearance, I will make clearance. Okay, it's quantitative. Okay, lower specific, upper specific sampling procedure. 2 times just enter. Okay, then in quantitative data, update. Okay, decimal. Yeah. And measurement, I will just the centimeter. And target value. So any target value, again, as per maintenance manual, you will find what is the clearance and what is allowable clearance. Okay. And third, we will make just shaft. So sometimes what happens, no need to create some inspection characteristics you will find here. In that, you can see, you can use that also. Just check shaft is there, otherwise I will make some change. Everything is same. It's quantitative readings. Okay, shaft we will make. Shaft. Lower space